What's up, everybody? It's just Mr. Jackson Tech Reviews, checking out the new glasses. We have the Oakley Meta HSTNs, the Houstons. Let's check these out here. There we go. Case, box, what we have here, we have a cleaning cloth, super nice. We got the booklet, basics. And let's see what the glasses look like. Oh, the case is really magnetic. You see the light here. The Oakley Metas. I went with the Houstons and the clear frames. Now these are actually prescription glasses for me. Oh, it made some kind of noise. So we're going to get them paired, check them out. That's the case. It's really bulky. It's not heavy, but it's pretty bulky. But the glass is magnetic. Felt lining, nice and soft inside. We're going to get them paired. Come back with another video and I'll let you guys know how they are.